What's happening? Gozi here. Welcome back to the channel. Feels like I've been gone for a while, but I just been crazy busy from working to taking online classes to taking my car apart and to help my brother out with his car. For him, we're doing a TR6060 transmission swap along with a clutch upgrade, full bolt-ons, E85, bigger cam. And then for mine, I'm doing a bigger cam and clutch upgrade as well. For the cam, I went with a B3 after sleeping on it for like a month. And then for the clutch, I'll be doing a McLeod RXT, good for like 1,000 horsepower or whatever. But yeah, I haven't been out racing, haven't been out like doing nothing. So I just been home, going to work, you know, just knocking shit out. So I figured I'd give you guys a behind the scenes look here in the garage as far as like how everything's coming along, the maintenance, the progress, all that good jazz. Brother took off the axle, rear control arm, spindle, rotor as one assembly. If he was just doing the clutch, he wouldn't have to do that. But because he's also swapping out the transmission, yeah, he had no choice. And then just to show you guys what we have going on under here, there's that damn train. 12 tube, trans, diff, and rear subframe, all being dropped as one. Gonna lay it somewhere around here. Take the transmission and the diff out of the cradle, swap it out with these two here, and then throw it back in after the clutch, of course. And over here, you got my ship box. Already took off driver side header, doing the passenger side next. And yeah, I took off the front accessory. I want to have it dropped by mid this coming week, but we'll see. See how busy I am with other shit. Got the valley cover lift adapter from eBay. I think it was like less than 50 bucks or so. It wasn't bad. It should come in handy. But yeah, that's what we got going on. Got parts everywhere. And then here's a cam here, B3 RPM. Beautiful day today though. Here's a drift missile. Still gotta get her painted. I've been putting it off. I'm looking for a good deal. Who paints for the low here in Jacksonville? Goddamn. Need to get this shit done. She's just out here dirty, rusting away. I should probably wash her, but I don't have time for that. I'm tired of this VQ motor. Shit's slow. I need an LS. It needs an LS. Definitely. Here's the daily. That's my favorite. Gives me zero issues. Just oil change and gas. Well, what do we have here? Don't you just love getting checks in the mail? Yes, my nails are dirty. I'm a mechanic. What do you expect? Man, I hate coming in here because each time I come in here, I got to spend money because this part starts fucking up. I got to replace this. Man, just no days off in here. But nah, the check is for when I got my bike shipped, they ended up cracking the fairing. So made them pay up. So now I can finally replace it. I was putting that off too. It is Sunday and I am chilling. I got a paper due, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out. My next video, I'll be showing you guys how I pulled the motor, dropped the trans, swapped out the cam, and if the clutch is here by then, we'll throw the clutch in as well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, share, comment. I do it for y'all. Thanks for supporting me, and I love y'all. See y'all next time. Thanks for watching.